Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well today. For today's video, I really want to talk about why crypto overall right now is the biggest opportunity right now to get in. I've been, I feel like I've been, throughout the past few weeks, even for the, past few months, I've been making a whole bunch of videos telling us to, buy into Bitcoin, DCA into Bitcoin, and not just Bitcoin, but also just crypto overall, right? You guys have to do your own research, okay, about these other altcoins, okay, because you guys understand these other altcoins, they're all different. They are not all the same. They have different uses, okay, usage, and of course, they have different, technologies and whatnot, right? So you guys have to understand, okay, Bitcoin and altcoins, I'm telling us right now, if you don't take advantage of these prices right now for Bitcoin and these altcoins that we are in fact seeing in the crypto market right now, okay, what do I mean by taking advantage right now? I mean buying, guys. I'm telling us right now, if you simply just want to make money in crypto, and of course, guys, this is not financial advice. None of my videos is financial advice. Okay, there's always a disclaimer. Always do your own research, right? But understand, guys, if you simply want to make money in crypto, this is your once in a lifetime opportunity right now. We know that the bull market is literally right around the corner. And I told you guys many times, this next bull market is going to be, completely different compared to, our previous bull markets that we have been seeing throughout crypto history. This one's going to be completely different. We know what is coming up with Bitcoin, especially. Okay, we know the Bitcoin halving is literally right around the corner, and we know every single time we have the halving event for Bitcoin, this is when the real bull run begins. Okay, and the Bitcoin halving is going to happen next year, April in 2024, potentially, right? That's what everyone is saying. So, April next year in 2024, that is when, okay, we're going to have the next Bitcoin halving. Okay, once we have the halving, obviously, we're going to see Bitcoin absolutely skyrocket. We know that we have been seeing that right throughout Bitcoin history. Every single time we have a halving for Bitcoin, okay, this is where Bitcoin tends to pump the most, and that's when alt season comes along as well. And that's when we see altcoins pump like crazy. And that's pretty much, guys, when we see the real bull run happen and we enter the next bull market. So that's happening, right? That's literally right around the corner. Okay, so that's happening. Okay, and the biggest one yet, okay, Bitcoin spot ETFs. A lot of institutions, big institutions out there, we know, okay, and the biggest one is BlackRock. They are in fact filing for Bitcoin spot ETF, and soon enough, the SEC/Gary Gensler has to approve it, okay, and they will approve it. It's not if, guys, it's when. And soon I have a feeling, okay, we are literally one step away from one of these Bitcoin spot ETFs to get approved, literally. And once it gets approved, yes, trillions of dollars are going to be poured into Bitcoin. That means Bitcoin's going to pump. Okay, so be ready for that. And there's many, many more other reasons why we're going to see the next, bull market, about to happen. So in this video, I want to talk about, okay, why it's a great buy for Bitcoin. I've been talking about that a fair bit, but not just Bitcoin, also altcoins. Okay, because I'm telling you right now, okay, it's cheap. These prices right now, not just for Bitcoin, but these altcoins, they are so cheap. If you actually look at these charts for these altcoins, and I actually will show you guys them in today's video, they are so cheap and they have dropped so much, okay, compared to where they were back in 2021, right? And our last, bull cycle. So that's exactly what I want to talk about for today's video. But yes, Bitcoin today is still holding strong at $34,000. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, you guys can see Bitcoin is just simply consolidating right at this level. Okay, actually dropped below yesterday. Actually went all the way down to around 33,400, but we did in fact, see a bounce back up a couple hours later. So Bitcoin is still holding pretty strong at $34,000. The crypto market today is just down 1%. So for the past 24 hours, not much movements for Bitcoin or even for Ethereum and other altcoins, right? I must say, not much movements. Everything though is still holding very, very strong. Okay, so guys, Bitcoin and altcoins are still cheap. Buy now or regret later. Okay, and the reason why I say that, guys, is because I told you guys, when we enter the next bull market, most likely, okay, and I'm not saying this is 100% true, but most likely, when we see Bitcoin, pumping back up to its previous all-time highs and continuing to pump, because that's going to happen, right? Bitcoin's obviously going to reach a new peak, a new all-time high, right? Maybe sometime next year in 2024 or most likely in 2025. We will see, right? But soon, Bitcoin will reach a new all-time high. And these altcoins, I have a good feeling. A lot of these altcoins, majority of these altcoins, will potentially reach back up to its previous all-time highs, just like where they were back in 2021, the previous bull market, right? The previous bull cycle. So if you look at the chart for Bitcoin, I'll just show you guys on CoinMarketCap, all-time chart. You guys clearly see that Bitcoin is ready to pump, right? And it's been pumping, throughout this year in 2023. You guys can just clearly see that, right? So Bitcoin is clearly ready, okay, to reach back up to its previous all-time highs and, of course, reach a new all-time high. So for all the people out there, for all the bears out there saying, Bitcoin's going to go back down to 20K or below 20K, we're going to see Bitcoin at 12K. For all the people out there that is still waiting for a 12K Bitcoin, you're going to be waiting forever. Okay, I told you guys to not time the market. Never time the market. Always DCA. Okay, because no one realistically really knows where Bitcoin was heading. I remember, right? And I was one of them. I remember when Bitcoin was at 15K last November, back down here, it's, bottom during this bear market. A lot of people were saying, Bitcoin's going to, drop back down to 12K. And I was one of them. But as soon as I saw Bitcoin slowly recovering up to the upside, I just knew, like, we're not going to see a 12K Bitcoin, right? There's no way in hell. So for all the people out there that's waiting for a 12K Bitcoin still at this price of $34,000, you're going to be waiting forever. Buy now. $34,000 is still cheap, especially if you're investing for long term, and you should be investing for long term, right? So that's that. Okay, so Bitcoin is looking pretty good. It looks like it's about to, go back up to its previous all-time highs. It's ready. Okay, let's check out Ethereum. Ethereum is a great buy right now. Okay, but I must say, guys, I'm not going to lie to you guys. Okay, I told you guys many times, if you guys have, in fact, been watching my videos, I told you guys many times that when I'm investing into crypto, when I tell you guys I'm investing into the crypto market, I just stick with the basics, right? And that is simply just Bitcoin, of course, and Ethereum, right? But I'm not going to lie to you guys. I have not been buying Ethereum. I have been, right? But I've been buying more Bitcoin. Okay, I've been buying way more Bitcoin than Ethereum. I should actually switch it up a bit, right? I should actually buy some more Ethereum. Think about it now, because Ethereum is just such a great buy. And I know 100% in the next bull market, we will potentially see a 10K Ethereum at least. I think Ethereum can easily surpass 10K in the next bull market. I think that is very, very, very possible. So just think about it, guys. There's room, okay, here to be made. Okay, like there's just so much opportunities right now to make money in crypto, guys. Okay, now let me just show you guys some of these altcoins. Let's look at something like Solana. We know Solana throughout the past few weeks has been absolutely pumping, but you guys can see Solana is still down by so much, right? And look at this chart right now. Okay, look at this chart, guys. Right, it's crazy, right? This is Solana. It's crazy, right? Like, look at this. We see a massive pump up to the upside, a massive hill, and then we see a massive downfall. Okay, and I'm telling you right now, a lot of these altcoins look so similar to this. It looks exactly like this, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, if you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you guys some other altcoins. Okay, and you guys can just clearly see there's just so much room, so much money to be made here. There's just so much room, right? Because I'm telling you right now, and I'm not 100% on this, but I really do believe majority, not all of them, but majority of these altcoins, okay, and of course new upcoming altcoins that we don't know about, will have a pump up, right? But we just don't know which one will, pump and perform the best in the next bull market. Okay, and this is why you guys should always, do your own research. But I like Solana, okay? I feel like they're always, evolving and whatnot. I haven't invested much into Solana. I still have a bag of Solana. I haven't sold any of my Solana, okay? So I'm still simply waiting. But you guys can see Solana has dropped massively. It was at 250, I believe. Look at that. 250 was his previous all-time highs. Okay, $250. Okay, and it dropped all the way down to like, I don't know, below $10, I believe, or like $11. Look at that. Right, $9. Look at that. So Solana has dropped massively, and I really do believe Solana will pump back up to like $100 to $150 to maybe even $200, maybe even back up to its previous all-time highs. I really don't know. I don't want to say much, but that's Solana. And let's check out something like Cardano. A lot of people are in fact saying Cardano is dead. I don't think that's true. Okay, but look at Cardano. Very, very similar to Solana's chart, right? Look at that. Look at how much Cardano has dropped. I remember $4 or $3, sorry. $2.9, just below $3. And now, okay, it's all the way at 30 cents. Think about that. There's so much room here, guys. A lot of these altcoins, okay, are so cheap. A lot of people don't realize that. Now let's look at something else like Chainlink. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink. We know Chainlink recently has been pumping. So this is the Chainlink chart you guys clearly see. $50 was its previous all-time highs back in May 2021. Right, and ever since then it's dropped. And I told you guys, right, if you guys have in fact been watching my videos where I talk about Chainlink has been consolidating below $10 for the longest time. We haven't seen Chainlink above $10, okay, at that resistance line, above that resistance line for over a year, like almost 2 years. But just recently, okay, we actually saw, you know, Chainlink pump, right, back up to $10 and $11. It did in fact have a breakout. You guys can just clearly see that. Okay, it was consolidating for the longest time. You guys can clearly see that. So this was obviously a great opportunity to buy Chainlink and of course DCA into Chainlink. But I really do believe Chainlink is one of these altcoins that will perform very, very well in the next bull market. It's literally in the top like 12 now. It's listed number 12. I remember Chainlink was like listed a couple weeks ago, like 22. So Chainlink is moving up. Okay, and I feel like I like Chainlink because they are always evolving. You know, they're always creating something new. And it's the biggest Oracle network out there, right, in crypto. So how can you not be bullish with Chainlink, right? So that's Chainlink. Let's look at something else. Let's look at a random one. I don't know, Avalanche, right? All-time chart, there you go. Very, very similar. Okay, we see a massive hill, a massive pump up to the upside back in 2021, of course, and then it drops. Okay. So all these charts are so similar, guys. A lot of these altcoins, and this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. They are such a great buy right now. Okay, they are. This like if you, okay, look, I'm gonna just end this video here. If you guys simply just want to make money in crypto, you better take advantage of these prices right now because the next bull market is literally right around the corner. And I'm telling you guys, okay, once we see the next bull run happen, we see Bitcoin pumping. Okay, we see a lot of these altcoins pumping and whatnot. Right, we're never going to see these prices ever again. Okay, meaning we're never going to see Bitcoin at $34,000. We're never going to see Ethereum at, you know, $1,700. We're never going to see Cardano at 30 cents again, potentially, or even Solana at $30, right? So this is literally a once in a lifetime opportunity, guys. Not financial advice. Always do your own research. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Please, if you're watching this video right now, take advantage of these prices. Don't have regret later. Okay, because if you don't buy now, you're gonna have the biggest regret, okay, later on in life. Okay, you wish you would have bought Bitcoin at 34K. You wish you would have bought Ethereum below 2K, right? So take advantage of these prices, guys, in the crypto market. So that's that, guys. Okay, I want to end off this video now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are in fact taking advantage of this once in a lifetime opportunity right now in the crypto market. Are you guys buying? Are you guys hodling? Are you guys panic selling? Hopefully not, but let me know in the comments down below. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.